This is our PS50 series 600 kVA and 600 kilowatt hot swappable modular UPS, and I would like to explain some of the unique feature of the UPS, like the power module of this UPS is hot swappable. The static bypass module is hot swappable, and UPS and display setting boards are hot swappable. So now, as we can see in the display, the UPS is working in online double conversion mode, and the load is running through the UPS. And as we can see in the display, all the power modules are connected with the UPS and working in load sharing mode. So now I'll remove one of the power module from the UPS, and we will see that there will be no interruption in the load. So now there is an indication in the UPS module, and the power module is now disconnected with the UPS, and we can see that the power module number 7 is disconnected with the UPS, and the rest power modules are working in load sharing mode. And there is an alarm, but there is no impact on the load. The UPS is still working in online double conversion mode. And now I'll connect this module again with the UPS. So I have connected this power module with the UPS again, and this will take some time to get connected with the rack. Now you can see that there is a green LED indication in the power module. So this module is now connected, and if we check in the display, the power module is connected, and shortly it will work in load sharing mode. As you can see, the power module is connected and working in load sharing mode, and there is no interruption in the load. The load is still working in online double conversion mode. Now, these are the UPS display and setting board, and I'll remove one of the board from the UPS, and there will be no interruption in the UPS. So I have just disconnected one setting board and removed it from the UPS. The another setting board is working, and there is no interruption in the UPS. The UPS is still working, and the load is working without any interruption. Now I'll connect the UPS and setting board again with the UPS. In a few time, this will get connected with the UPS. Now the UPS and setting board connected with the UPS, and there is no interruption in the load. The UPS is still working. And now I'll pull out the another setting board from the UPS. Yeah. So the another UPS and display setting board is disconnected, and the previous one is taking care of the parameters. and there is no interruption in the display, there is no interruption in the load, and the UPS is still working in online double conversion mode. So I'll put it again. Shortly it will connect it with the UPS. And now we can see that both the controllers are now connected with the UPS, and there is no interruption in the load. So the UPS and display setting boards, there are two setting boards and both are hot swappable and redundant to each other. The STS is hot swappable, the power modules are hot swappable. So these are the few unique